how you can use Meta AI image generator. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app, and I assume that you have already downloaded it in your mobile phone. So once you open it, and now you can see there is 3 lines at the top left corner of this home page or this section. So just tap on that 3-line button, and once you tap on it, finally you can see there it's chat option at the second. So just select the chat option and you will be able to access the Meta AI from here. So now you can see there is lots of option in this message section. So first one, you can see there is create a video from my photo, another one is create a video of my pet singing, and so on. So now to access a image generator, what you can do is you can see there is plus icon at the bottom left corner of this section. So just tap on that plus icon and you can see there is 2 options in here. So you can basically choose any of them. First one is camera and another one is gallery. So once you select it or once you capture the picture, you can access the image generator from here successfully. Just simply you need to enter the prompt in here. So you can see there is ask anything option. So just tap on it and you can simply enter your prompt, and finally tap on the arrow button, and yeah, you will be able to use or access Meta AI image generator successfully. So basically this is how and this is the process to use Meta AI image generator. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.